Fix Battlefield 6 anti-cheat error, secure boot required on PC. 1. Restart your PC. Close Battlefield 6 completely. Restart your computer. Launch the game again. Check if the anti-cheat error is resolved. Enable secure boot. Restart your PC and enter the BIOS UEFI settings. Enable secure boot. Save the changes and restart Windows. Launch Battlefield 6 again. Number 3. Enable TPM 2.0. Open BIOS UEFI settings. Enable TPM 2.0, Intel PTT or AMD FTPM. Save the changes. Restart your PC. Header 4. Repair EA AntiCheat. Open the EA AntiCheat installer. Select Battlefield 6. Choose Repair or reinstall the anti-cheat service. Restart your PC. Header 5. Verify game files. Open the EA app or Steam. Select Battlefield 6. Click Repair or Verify game files. Wait until the scan is complete. Header 6. Run the game as administrator. Right-click the game executable. Select Run as administrator. Launch Battlefield 6 again. 7. Disable overlays. Disable Steam overlay. Disable Discord overlay. Close MSI Afterburner, Riva Tuner, and similar overlay apps. Restart the game. Kenner 8. Update Windows. Open Settings, Windows Update, install all available updates. Restart your PC. Launch Battlefield 6 again. 9. Update graphics drivers. Install the latest NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics driver. Restart your PC. Launch the game. Number 10. Reinstall EA AntiCheat. Uninstall EA AntiCheat. Install the latest version using the EA AntiCheat installer. Restart your PC. Launch Battlefield 6. These steps can help fix Battlefield 6 anti-cheat error, secure boot required, EA AntiCheat failed, game security violation, and launch issues on Windows 10 and Windows 11 PCs.